within the auto layout, there are a couple of ways we can look into it. The one is the single frame auto layout. The other one is the nested frame auto layout. Now, what is the difference between two? So in single frame auto layout, I select the element, I created on the right hand side and create an auto layout by clicking on this button. So within this auto layout, we don't have any other auto layout within this frame, hence it remains single. Whereas on the right hand side, I can create multiple auto layouts. So I can make an auto layout for here. I can combine these two things and create an auto layout. I combine all of these three and create an auto layout. Now, if you see on the right and left hand side, so within one auto layout, I have one more auto layout, and within that, there is one more. So this is what we call as a nested auto layout. That is a powerful feature in Figma, which allows us to create a nested frame auto layout automatically. So let's see this example. I have all the element on the canvas. So you can see on the left-hand side, there is no auto layout currently present in it. I will right-click, go to the option, which is More Layout option, and select Suggest Auto Layout. Or you can use a shortcut, Ctrl-Alt-Shift+A. The moment you do this thing, the Figma automatically created the nested auto layout frame for you. You don't have to do it manually. This is a massive time saver. So let's go on the left-hand side. The blue dot indicates that it is suggested by Figma for one time. So once you click, it will get vanished enough. So this is one auto layout frame which is created. Then this is the second one. And this is the third one. Let's go a little further. Now, I will select the auto layout and select an element within the auto layout. If I remove a text, the button gets adjusted automatically. But if I do the same action on the left-hand side, let me select the element within that and delete the text, the button does not exist automatically. Now, why that is happening? Let's understand it. So when I select this frame, and within the frame, when I select the element, if I go on the right-hand side, I have an option within the layout which says Hug Content, which no matter what the content is. So if the content is growing, then it will automatically exist based on the content width. However, on the left-hand side, if I select the element, go on the layout and click on this width section, I have given this as a fixed width. Hence, if I remove anything, it still go to the fixed width and doesn't get changed. There is one more option called Fill Container. For that, I will select the frame and select any one of the element by pressing the Ctrl and make a click. I selected the element within the frame. Now, if I go on the right-hand side and click on this width, I have an option called Fill Container. So when I do this thing, a magic happens. So if I copy the text and try to paste one by one, and now if I select the frame and do left and right or whatever the size you want, the content within the frame will try to fill the container, which previously was not possible. Very useful whenever you have a content-driven websites.